Alright, I was not going to make a video because life's been crazy, but I'm making a video. I got time today. Bitcoin is pixeling all-time high. We are there. Do we break this thing tonight? Guys, I'm going to show you the count I'm watching out for. I'm going to show you the obvious count, but you guys don't watch this channel for the obvious counts. You want to get the wild card counts on the table, right? So I'm going to bring you the wild card count as well. A couple things that I'm looking at. You know, as of right now, we're just kind of scalping this action up and down right now. Looking for this to pop through all-time high, guys. At this point, I really am. We're going to talk about this. But before we get started with this video, I got to sing a little song, and it goes something like this. There she goes. There she goes again. Bitcoin's fucking Alex up, cause it just hit all-time high, and Alex isn't long for the ride. Oh! Yo, that was kind of good. Alright, let's get into it, guys. If you want to learn how I trade, if you watch this video, you want to learn how I trade, there's a free Discord pinned in the first comment down below, and I have my free Elliott Wave course and how I trade right there in the free Discord and the Learn channel. So definitely go and check that out, pinned in the first comment down below, and follow me on Instagram. I do show my life, trading motivation, a lot more is to come over on the Instagram, as well as my face will be posted over here. I am ugly, so if you want to see that, drop a follow on Instagram. Let's get right to it, guys. Let's get right to it. If you've been watching this channel, if you've been watching these videos, you know I was looking for right here to long, and it did not give it to me. We're looking right here. Wanted to long this sucker to all-time high right here, and she's going. So be it, guys. So be it. The most obvious count right now for Bitcoin, the most obvious count, which it doesn't take a rocket scientist or anyone with more than one brain cell to give you this, but I'm going to give it to you anyways. You have a finished correction down, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? Just a freaking impulse up out of here, guys, where you have just a series of 1, 2s, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. You know, that's the look that you're going for right now. You know, that's what you're threatening. Is this it? Is this it? You know, I'm still a little skeptical. I'm not all in on it, but it's there. It's on the chart for you. It's the most obvious count, guys. What I really wanted to see, and what I still kind of do want to see, but momentum's heavy right now, is some type of a flat correction, which I'm going to bring in the wild card count. But, you know, do note, guys, momentum is very heavy on the hourly, on the 4 hour to the upside, on the 10 hour, the daily. I mean, we're getting pretty heavy in on the momentum. Everything's getting kind of overbought, but right before a big old nasty move to the upside, a big move, you would have everything kind of overbought, right? So I'm not too worried about that. The weekly looks okay. You know, everyone was talking about this weekly RSI trendline breakout. I mean, you know, I'm just bringing these things to your attention, guys. I'm not trying to be a permanent bear over here, but what about that weekly RSI breakdown? And we are now testing that. You know what I'm saying? Where did we lose sight in that? Can you imagine we're just retesting this right now and then boom? I'm not saying it's going to happen. It's just like these are things you got to be aware of, guys. These are things you got to be aware of. But yeah, right now it's looking good. I want to see this pop through all-time high. I do. It's definitely got more juice in it right now. I'll tell you that much. I don't think there's a rejection at all-time high coming. I think there's a correction at all-time high coming. So we're gonna go over the wild card count that I'm gonna offer you, that I will probably be playing. You know, right now like I said, we're getting in and out of trades, scalping this sucker. I honestly, I'm going to close this trade soon right here. But yeah, if you want to check out the premium Discord, guys, while I'm in here, swing alerts, scalp alerts, 24/7 live charts. I try to live stream daily. Just go to upgrade here. $25 off your first month with code Junkie. This code expires November 1st. If I could talk. We got 2 days left in the month. I just want to let you guys know November 1st, this code expires. If you want to give it a try, upgrade here within the free Discord, and then code Junkie gives you $25 off your first month. All right, so we'll see you over on premium. Now the wild card count, guys. This is the Binance chart. You know, we'll go over to Blowfin since we trade on Blowfin here. What I'm really looking for here, at least on the hourly, I want to see momentum kind of cool off a little bit. I would really like to see this kind of come down. And I'm not saying price is going to go down, but I want to see momentum kind of cool down. Price can go sideways. It can creep to the upside. We can consolidate in an upward fashion. Number of things can happen here. I'm not saying price will dump at all-time high. But I want to see momentum hurl down. When that occurs, when I see some type of consolidation up here, it will look good to long for me for at least one more little slice up. I'm targeting around 76K on that next slice up. Would love to see that occur. See some hourly divergence put in. Let's see on the higher time frames. Wouldn't look too bad. Wouldn't look too bad. On the weekly, it would give legit weekly bearish divergence. On the daily, I don't know. Daily would be way overbought, I'll tell you that much. But what I'm getting at here is I am looking, and if you saw what I had on the screen when the video first started, at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, coming in hot, right? And even better yet, zoomed in, I'm looking at a 1, 2, this is 3, want to consolidate 4, 5, right? That's what I'm looking at here. So you can consider this whole thing a 1, 2, 3, 4 into a fifth, or a zigzag correction, in which we have 5 waves into another 5 waves. Something like that is what I'm looking for. Some type of consolidation at all-time high, briefly, very briefly, into elections, maybe elections occur and we are pumped, we are juiced. I don't know, but I will be looking for a quick break through all-time high, and we'll see what it wants to do from there. If we are looking at this whole thing as can be a WX, ABC, Y, something like that, could be a WXY. We are right in the corrective pocket, guys, depending on what, a couple other things are looking like. If we do want to quickly break this up to 75K, 75.5K, 76K, there's a very, 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 very real potential, guys. And I'm not saying this is gonna happen. There's a good probability, but there's a very real potential of this sucker coming down, and far. You put in a flat, correction down, correction up, impulsive wave to the downside, and yikes. That's the move we're looking for, and then you get the bull run. This move is very quick, very vicious. This doesn't extend out long in time at all. It's just an absolute liquidity sweeper, long fucker. That's what it is. It will fuck everyone's longs. And then it'll go. So, It's on the table, guys. It's a very real possibility. But the most obvious count is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is a series of 1, 2s here where you're gonna start putting in your 3, 4, 5s. The result of this is a very large wave up to, you know, 90, 100, 120, 130, 130K, you know, something like that. That's the result of that move. Now, like I said, I am not holding on to this short. I will be closing it. I'm expecting all-time high to get broken here at this point. But if you do want to trade on Blowfin, guys, they are no KYC. It's what everyone uses to trade on. Right here is the campaign Chart Junkies community has. This ends October 31st. You have 2 days. It ends on Halloween. So it's the best promo they have running right now. These initial deposit bonuses are crazy. And then you get your trading volume bonuses as well. The trading volume bonuses as well. That is pinned in the first comment down below if you're interested in trading on Blowfin. Check them out. I will see you in tomorrow's video. We're back up to the daily video uploads. Daily BTC analysis. Man, I feel a little rusty. 2 days off, I feel a little rusty. But sometimes you just got to take care of business, baby. You know what I'm saying? Trade safe, everyone. I will see you in tomorrow's video. I love you so much. Join the premium Discord. We'll see you in there as well. Trade safe.